In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in PDF in just a couple of minutes. Simple, fast, and absolutely free. And Chiropractic Adjustment Invoice Template. Open any browser, type in the website, address invoiceg.com, or just click the link in the description. We land on the main page, but you can also explore other options. Just scroll down and click on Invoice Templates. The invoice catalog is extensive, offering templates for virtually every need. Next, we choose the template we need. You can find the link in the description or simply pick one from the list yourself. Next, we clear the invoice template and complete it from the beginning. Let's start filling it out step by step. Invoice number, issue date, and due date. But the invoice is flexible, so you can adjust it to your needs. Next, complete the From section, including company name, address, phone, and email. However, it is not mandatory to provide all fields, only those relevant to your needs. For the To section, we also need to fill in the company name, address, phone, and email. But again, you can complete only the fields you need. I'll fill in all of them as an example. If we click on Add New Item, we can add as many services as we need. Here we can specify the item name, quantity, price, and amount. We can also add a tax right away if needed. Let's set it to 15%. Let's also add some notes. Before creating the PDF invoice, let's click on Preview and see what we've got. Click on Create Invoice, and now let's wait a moment while our PDF invoice is generated. It's really cool that we can see a preview of the PDF invoice here. We also have two buttons. We can share it by clicking Share Invoice and sending a download link. But in our case, we'll simply download the PDF invoice. All done. Let's open the PDF invoice and check the result. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for updates.